At 36, just months after giving birth to twins, Beyoncé walked onto the Coachella stage with the strength of an Olympian, the grace of a ballerina, and the glow of someone a decade younger. Audiences worldwide gasped, not just at the performance, but at how someone could possibly transform so completely, so naturally. No shortcuts, no gimmicks, just discipline, grit, and Beyoncé-level focus. Known as Queen Bey, Beyoncé isn't just a singer or dancer, she's a force of nature. With over 2 decades of dominance in the entertainment industry, she's a multi-Grammy-winning icon, mother of 3, and one of the most revered performers alive. But in 2018, she faced a challenge unlike any before, returning to the stage after giving birth to twins via emergency C-section. Her goal wasn't just to perform, it was to headline one of the biggest music festivals in the world, Coachella. The show would require nearly 2 hours of non-stop choreography, live vocals, and razor-sharp precision. And so began a transformation, one powered not by pills or powders, but by plants, sweat, and unwavering intention. As soon as Beyoncé committed to Coachella, her entire lifestyle shifted. She adopted a completely plant-based diet, stripping away anything that might hinder her clarity, endurance, or appearance. Gone were the comfort foods, replaced by leafy greens, legumes, and carefully chosen fuel. Her plate became a canvas of kale, spinach, sweet potatoes, avocado, and lentils. She didn't just eat to nourish, she ate to ignite performance. Fruits like blueberries and oranges provided natural sugars and antioxidants. Her energy came from whole, earth-grown sources. And though the transition was tough, she leaned into it, knowing her body needed clean-burning energy for the work ahead. Sugar disappeared from her pantry. Dairy was gone too. Anything that could cause bloating, brain fog, or inflammation was out. Instead of reaching for caffeine or wine, she drank water, gallons of it, infused with lemon or mint. Her discipline was total. This wasn't a diet for appearance's sake, it was about function. Beyoncé turned down every processed indulgence, even those she once enjoyed. Bread was replaced with root vegetables. Meat eliminated entirely. Alcohol? Not a sip. Every decision had a purpose. She once said it plainly. She was hungry, but she was also clear-headed, lighter, faster, and stronger. And when she craved comfort, she reached for her why. She wasn't preparing to sing. She was preparing to conquer a cultural moment. Her training began like an athlete prepping for the Olympics. It wasn't just about reps and sets. It was about building a body that could dance, sing, and lead for 2 straight hours, without faltering. Each morning, Beyoncé started with choreography. Long, unbroken rehearsals mimicked the stage environment, sweat dripping, lungs burning, legs aching. She didn't take shortcuts. She practiced until every move was second nature, and then did it again in heels. Afternoons were reserved for strength and conditioning. She worked on her core and lower body, glutes, quads, and abs, to give her body the foundation it needed for stamina. Resistance bands, planks, lunges, nothing fancy, just consistency. On alternating days, she trained for flexibility. Bar classes, yoga, and slow stretching kept her joints fluid and her muscles long. Injury wasn't an option, and neither was burnout. Her team built a schedule that challenged her without breaking her. Each week ended with a full run-through. Sound, costumes, lights. The only thing missing was the roar of the crowd. With such intensity, Beyoncé knew recovery wasn't optional. It was sacred. She made sleep a non-negotiable. No matter how busy her schedule, she carved out 7 to 8 hours a night. She turned off screens early, ending her day with silence or music, preparing her mind to rest. Every day included hydration. Constant, deliberate. Water wasn't just about thirst, it was part of her fuel. She also practiced meditation and journaling, documenting her emotions, progress, and intentions. Her mental game was just as vital as her physical. Massages helped her reset her muscles. Epsom salt baths soothed her soreness. Yoga calmed her nerves. And throughout it all, she stayed grounded in gratitude for her body, for her strength, and for the opportunity to return stronger than ever. Beyoncé didn't just prepare for Coachella, she rebirthed herself. Through natural food, relentless training, and deep self-care, she reminded the world what's possible with focus and intention. Her transformation wasn't magic, it was mastery. And if Beyoncé can rebuild her body, mind, and spirit naturally after childbirth, then maybe, just maybe, you can too.